Welcome to week 3 of Intro to Holistic Medicine course. My name is Dr. Erica Steele, and this week we are going to be talking about mastering health tracking from subjective symptoms to objective data. So last week we focused on tracking on how you feel, your energy, digestion, mood, and your overall well-being. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board-certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to. So again, last week was super jam-packed. We were really taking it to the next level this week. So if you haven't had a chance, make sure that you go ahead and download your nutritional assessment questionnaire. If you haven't, I put a little link below so you're able to do that. It's also available within your course shell from last week. All right, so this week we're going to really incorporate more of that next level objective data. So things we can measure. So things we can measure outside of ourselves, like blood pressure, blood sugar, or even body composition. And when we combine these two, we really unlock the real power of personalized healthcare. So we're really going to only focus, though, on 2 metrics this week. We're going to focus on our salivary pH levels as well as our urinary pH levels. If you need to get some pH strips for the class, it will be found in either the Holistic Life app or you'll find it in a link below. So we're really going to work it with, making sure that we're present to what the subjective data stated from the questionnaire. We're going to make sure that we total all of those up, but then we're going to combine that with the objective data. So we're going to begin to track, like I said, our salivary pH as well as our urinary pH. There'll be a metabolic pH guide that you'll be able to download to be able to understand exactly and answer all of your questions on how and timing and when and all of those things. So you'll also be able to get all of that information within the Holistic Life app itself. And we will be doing a 7-day challenge. There are different, time frames for metabolic tracking. There's 7, there's 14, there's 30, and there's benefits to all 3, which we'll discuss. But we're going to start off with just a 7-day, just to start to get into the habit of tracking our data. I understand that technology can be a little intimidating for some, so we do have a paper tracking option with our metabolic pH guide. So we'll do some step-by-step instructions as well this week just to make sure you understand the nutritional assessment questionnaire as well as how to grade that in more of an objective finding. Lastly, we will look to see if we can spot some trends with our health and make some adjustments. But again, we're going to take this nice and slow as we're really beginning to deeply understand what our body is telling us. If you'd like to join in on all the fun of learning more about what your body is telling you, you can go ahead and click the link in the bio below and then scroll down and hit that form that says Intro to Holistic Medicine. All this week we'll be teaching lots of different classes, but this class goes with Intro to Holistic Medicine course. We also will have a Hidden Dangers of Conventional Medicine as well as our morning flow. So definitely check out our schedule as well. We would love to have you learn more about how you and your family can live naturally.